Ha. Break down, come on.
Hey, come on, Madonna. If you come on, boy.
Hey guys, I'm James, boat builder at Edencraft. I'm here today to take you through Jarrod Wood's new pod-mounted 233 formula with a wave breaker. My role here at Edencraft is in the joining shed, managing the process of the floor going in, the deck going down, and then fully glassing the boat. So you can see here inside Jarrod's boat, he's opted for a flow coat floor, which means the floor is made of a pure glass panel and then painted over, different to the normal gel coat moulded floor. Another big difference you can see here in Jarrod's boat is the fact that there is no kill tank. We took out the bulkhead that was originally there, added a bigger fuel tank with a now capacity of 600 litres. Up here at Jarrod's dash, we got a Simrad setup, stress-free anchor winch, the Mercury vessel view, our Dometic C-Star trim tabs. Jarrod's added a Roswell sound system with 2 speakers to keep everyone entertained and the vibes high. Right up front in Jarrod's formula, we've got a few added luxuries. We've got a toilet and a pie oven for those long days out on the water. Plenty of seating options here in Jarrod's boat. We've got the single skipper's chair on a gas pedestal, and then the big double seat box with plenty of storage inside. Down the back of the boat here, Jarrod's opted for a full-length rear lounge. On the starboard side, he's got his deck wash kit. On the port side on the combing, he's opted for an 8-way rod holder combing rack. Once again, you can't go past the stainless work done by the boys here in-house, all perfectly finished. We've got our rocket launcher here, radar up top, grab rails around the front, the bow rail right at the front, grab rails here on the seating, all finished perfectly. Due to this bigger fuel tank, it allows us to put more weight down low in the boat, which allows for bigger options on these motors, with Jarrod's opted for twin 300 Verados. Jarrod's opted for a pod here on the back of his formula. The good thing about a pod, it adds extra length and extra weight to the boat. Our pods are weighing in at about 150 kilos, with 12 different layers of glass on the pod, then a new transom installed on the back of the pod, and knees constructed inside. Always perfectly strong. As you can see here on the formulas, the dive doors are a flow coat finish. That's because these are not a moulded part like our other 2 models. The process of a dive door on a formula is to cut the dive door out once the hull and deck has been joined. We then box up the door and the step here, add our flanges and hinge on our door. Both our door and the step are foam filled and then finished in our flow coat chosen by customer and fleck. Jarrod opted here for storm grey with a white fleck. Up top, Jarrod's got a wave breaker, gel coat finish, white, perfectly blends in with the boat with 3 windows. Our wave breakers are made up of chop strand mat with a core mat material through it and a flow coat finish on the inside. Jarrod's formula is sitting on an easy tow 4.5 tonne trailer with a custom trailer bar at the front, always that added extra protection, boat catch at the front for that simple ease to launch and retrieve. Congratulations Jarrod on taking ownership of your new boat. Hope you love it. From everyone here at Edencraft, it's been an absolute pleasure to build this vessel for you. Can't wait to see all the memories you make, and welcome to the Edencraft family.